It is like the most craziest sneaker in your collection. It is like something you can flex with. And basically sneakerheads, a person who collects sneakers, who like to wear sneakers, is a person who wants to flex. Sometimes deep inside they want to flex somewhere, so that is the sneaker you need to flex with. So for me, that is my this sneaker. What is up, people? This is Ron Kamle, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, today I'm very damn excited for this video, because we are going to see something different in this video. We are not going to do our usual unboxings or some different types of budget sneakers, but in this video we are going to see 5 basic types of sneakers you need to have to start your sneaker collection, so you can cover all the aspects and event where you can wear your sneakers. So that is the reason I thought I should make something like this. And if you guys remember, and if you are an old subscriber, you guys must know that I have already made a similar video like this in past when I had 400-500 subscribers, I guess. And in that video I had shown some basic sneakers which you need to have as a normal person. I'll link up that video here. So yes, let's not waste any of the time, because I'm really excited for this video. So yes, let's start with the video. So starting off with the first basic sneaker you need to have, and that is a basic beaters. So beaters for everyone might be different, but beaters for me is something I can wear regularly and repetitively, and I don't really get bored of those sneakers. I can match that sneakers with anything I want, like anything I can think of in my wardrobe. So that is the reason my beaters are this and this. You can see this one, it's like really beat, and this one is fresh, it's not that beat. But I really like this sneaker because I can really wear them every time I want. It's like I can really slip this on and I can really go anywhere, literally anywhere. I don't have to think about it like, is it raining outside, do I have to go in mud, do I have to go somewhere like it is dusty, some dirty place, something like that. I don't care, I will really wear this sneaker anywhere. You can just see the condition of this sneaker, and it is like gross, but I still like this sneaker a lot because I can really wear this anywhere. And this one I can really match any of my outfits with, and it still looks stylish. The quality on both the sneakers are great. This one is great, like really great. This is fine, nice sneaker. As I said, I can really wear this anywhere, so I don't care about it. But this one, a very valuable sneaker for me, but still at the same time I really like to beat this up because it looks very good when it is beat up, and it gives a character to the sneakers. That is the reason I like to wear this sneakers like this. So that was the basic type, that is basic beaters you need to have in your collection, so you can wear them anytime, anywhere, and all the time, and you don't have to care about them. That is the first type, that is basic beaters. So now coming to the second sneaker type, and that is a white leather sneaker. It is very important to have a basic clean white leather sneaker, and that is the only sneaker I don't have in my collection. I just have this white sneaker in my collection, that is this one. You guys already know this sneaker. This is the only white sneaker I have in my collection. And another one is a Converse Runstar Hike, but that is not a basic white sneaker, that is a wild sneaker, so I won't count that sneaker as a basic white sneaker. And this is also not a leather sneaker, so that is the reason I don't even count this, and this doesn't even fit me. So yes, I won't count this as my basic white sneakers, but I need to get one, and I'll recommend you all to go with some Puma Ralph Samson Lows all white one, or Puma Baskets, or some Air Force One if you have the budget, or some Stan Smiths. Those are the types of sneakers you need to have, that is pure white. It looks great on feet, it can match with any of the outfits you can think of. You can dress them up, dress them down, it will go with anything. It will go with trouser, it will go with jeans, it will go with shorts, anything you can think of, anything you can imagine of. So yes, that is the reason you need to have the clean white leather sneaker in your collection. Now the third type of sneaker you need to have in your collection is some bulky or the dad shoe vibe sneakers. It is trending right now. If you guys don't know, that style of sneaker is like booming right now in India, and the dad shoe vibe is like going crazy. People are just loving those sneakers. So these are the types of sneakers you need to have in your collection. I'll say bulky like this. This is the dad shoe vibe. I have both the examples for you guys, so you can have this kind of sneakers. So these kind of sneakers are very casual. It is like if you're having a casual day out with your friends, you need to be comfortable, relaxed, chilled out, or something like that. You can really wear these sneakers. They are very neutral. You can go with neutral colors as well, or you can go with some bright bold colors as well. It's your choice. I just want you guys to have some bulky sneakers, because we normally only wear some slim sneakers, slim profile sneakers like Converse, Vans, something like that, because everyone thinks that you can really wear that sneaker very well. But no, you can really go with bulky sneakers as well, because they give out a good touch to your personality. It enhances your outfit and it looks great on feet. That is the reason you need to have some bulky sneakers, or something like which gives out the dad shoe vibes. So you need to have that kind of sneakers. So now the fourth type of sneaker you need to have in your collection is some runner sneakers. Something like Ultra Boost, Nike Zoom, some New Balance 574s. Those are some great options for you guys to have, because these are some comfortable sneakers, like really crazy comfortable sneakers, and this might also help you to get out of your bed and go running or do some exercise as well. So that is the reason you need to have something like this in your collection. And this also looks great with some casual outfits, and you can really wear this kind of sneakers with some track pants and it looks great. It looks like you are just a fitness freak guy, so it enhances your personality and it looks great as well and comfortable too. So yes, why not to have that kind of sneakers. So that was the fourth type of sneaker which you need to have in your collection, that is some runner sneakers. So now coming to the last and my favorite type of sneaker you need to have, that is a heater. So basically heater depends from person to person, but heaters are something like you can flex with. It's like a mentality on that sneaker, because heaters are something special to you. It is like the most craziest sneaker in your collection. It is like something you can flex with, and basically sneakerheads, a person who collects sneakers, who like to wear sneakers, is a person who wants to flex sometimes. Deep inside they want to flex somewhere, so that is the sneaker you need to flex with. So for me, that is my this sneaker, because I really love this sneaker a lot, and this is like something which will stand out of the crowd, and this is a bright sneaker as well. That is the reason I love this a lot. So this is the kind of sneaker I will flex with, or I will show off with in normal words. So this is what heaters means to me, and heaters might differ from person to person. It's not like you need to have some crazy expensive sneakers in your collection which is heater. You can really still have 5000 rupee sneaker, 2000 rupee sneakers as your heaters, and it is not compulsory at all you need to have some Jordans, because as I always say, do not run behind hype, just create it. So yes, heaters is whatever you feel is a heater, not a sneaker which your friends think is fire sneaker, but you should think that this is a fire sneaker. That is the reason it is in your collection and it is your heater. So yes, that was my 5 types of sneaker you need to have in your collection, because I feel like this is the 5 basic types of sneakers you need to have to cover all the events where you wear your sneakers. So yes, that was it for this video guys. I hope you liked this video, because lot of people might not agree with this list, or lot of people might agree with this list. So yes, please do let me know if you agree with this list, or if you want to add a category, or if you want to remove a category from this list. So yes, please do let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. Like this video, share this video, that is the most important thing. Please share this video with your friends, and yes, please do subscribe this channel, because we are very damn close to 2500 subscribers, and I hope we can complete this very soon. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video guys. See you next time in the next video. Peace.